macOS Monterey is the latest version of Apple's operating system for their Mac computers. It was announced at the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, in June 2021 and was released to the public in October 2021. Some of the new features in macOS Monterey include Universal Control. This allows you to use a single keyboard and mouse/trackpad across multiple Mac and iPad devices. Focus. This feature helps you minimize distractions by letting you set customized modes that filter notifications and limit access to certain apps. Shortcuts. Previously exclusive to iOS, Apple has brought the Shortcuts app to macOS Monterey, allowing you to automate tasks and create custom workflows. Live Text. With Live Text, you can select and copy text from images and photos, as well as perform actions like searching, translating, and calling phone numbers. FaceTime. FaceTime now includes spatial audio, portrait mode, and the ability to share your screen during a call. Safari. Apple has made several improvements to Safari in macOS Monterey, including a redesigned tab bar, group tabs, and a new tab feature called Tab Groups. Overall, macOS Monterey brings a range of new features and improvements to the Mac, making it easier and more enjoyable to use.